coming. Then
Okay.
then what I did, then I means kept a
Filter.
filter on
Okay.
only the txt file. This one, wait.
Can you show the query? Okay, activity from whoever in the yeah, just
Yeah,
want to
here
activity dot output dot child item.
child
Okay.
white child item. Wait, I am showing
Mm,
you. If
mm,
I run this one only,
mm,
suppose if I am running only this one,
mm.
wait, it is running. Okay, it has run. See in output, if you see, this is my child and this is all other values.
Yes,
Means
right.
that's why I have used this one child item. Means all
Yes.
file will means come.
Mm. You are correct. Correct.
How to remove this?
Yes.
Yeah,
Then.
here means this here I have written this child item means okay,
Mm.
and
Okay.
this one
Mm. And condition.
condition I have given
Mm,
like whatever item means item dot name. Why
mm,
name means when
mm,
I run. Wait,
mm,
so look that also. This one no.
mm,
Dot name dot txt no wait this one.
mm.
See name means all the this one name I have taken means all the file
Yes.
name.
Yes.
Okay, folder name, everything it will take.
Mm.
But I have means given the condition that only txt, content
TXT
only
file.
txt.
Yes.
So if I run this, only
Mm,
three file is there. Means if I run till here,
mm.
only three file is
Whatever
coming.
in the .txt, it
Txt
will be
format.
get
Yeah,
from the
whatever.
here. Ah,
All
using the
folder
filter.
and different types of folder eliminated here because I have
Mm.
given only txt.
Yes.
Okay. Here we can see that. See, out of 13, we
Mm.
got only total count as 3.
Order
In
three.
3 txt, customer
Mm,
detail, order txt, and
mm.
sale.txt.
Yes.
After that, means I have to iterate all the three. Then I have used for each,
Mm,
means for each condition. Here
mm.
I have given
Filter only file
activity.output.value.
value. Okay. Mm,
Okay.
mm.
From here, in the activity, I have used this copy activity. And for this, I have used the data set.
Mm.
Here the same data set, means same data. Here I have mentioned one parameter.
Okay. You mentioned one parameter also. Mm.
Mm, that file
Item dot.
name. What is
Right.
the file name? Okay.
Yes. Right.
Yeah.
Mm.
And sync I have given the same place only, but the data set I have used as Parquet because we have to convert to Parquet.
Mm. Okay.
Wait, this one, this one.
Mm.
How to show this ma'am? This one. See, convert the Parquet I have used data set.
Yes.
Okay, and the
Yes.
output is here.
Mm, mm.
Like
Output is the output folder. We are
yeah,
exporting those
yeah,
Parquet
yeah.
files.
In this, yeah, all the output is there. Like see it here only. See, customer.detail txt is converted to the customer.parquet.
Mm,
Okay,
mm.
order.txt is converted to
Dot
orders.parquet.
Parquet.
Means
Mm.
this same place I have given. That's why all file are here only. The
Yeah. One
sales.txt.
thing, Imran, one thing you can give like for example that file contain folder in the folder in the linked server in
Yes,
the meta set,
folder.
right?
Yeah.
You can mention any name, then it will be automatically create and save there.
Mhm. Yes,
Okay.
yes.
So that also you can do there. For example, can you try this one? Just for here in the file path, right? In the file path directory, you can mention something. Just output one, output park. You can mention. Can you mention there output parquet?
Ma'am, first, I think first we output packet, then there our file will be get.
Yes, yes. Can you try output parquet? Output parquet. Then you can just run it. We can check. Definitely, it will be come under those output parquet or something. Yeah. I underscore also will possible, right? In the storage account. Can you go to storage account, Imran? Okay, output.
Yeah, yeah, correct, correct. This is the loop container. Yeah, after that
Yeah.
output packet.
Can you change it into output underscore, not need underscore, just output parquet. Can just output parquet. I think it will not be issue. Just try. Yeah. Just run it. We can find if it's working or not. Because here we are only taking .txt file. Okay. So that was the reason you implemented the filter. Otherwise, we don't need the filter. We can directly connect into for each loop, and the for each loop directly copy data to particular folder. Hmm. But in the specific, for example, .txt only we are considering, then we can give like this.
Yeah. I have used sequential, that's why one by one.
Hmm.
In the for loop, there is two options, no? The sequential and batch. So I have used sequential. Batch, if I give any two, then two file will run out. Means two, it will iterate two.
Two. Can you go back to our output? Can you refresh? Yes.
Yeah, output market.
Yes, it is coming here. Okay. Yeah. Same way we can do in the ADF in the different things also. Okay. Then
this one completed.
Okay.
The second
Then
question was delete, means this one I know, ma'am. Second also I know. Means yesterday only you have given us
okay,
3 days you
same.
have shown. We can do it. Yeah, yeah. For 10 day I don't have file, so I will do that.
Okay, okay, sure. So this is the way we can solve this problem. And I will give one more problem today. Just give this one. I'm just uploading. Give me 1 minute. I will upload in our folder. We can open that drive also. In the drive, okay, day 12. I will uploading. I uploaded.
My screen is not visible to you.
No, you can share it again.
Yes, ma'am. Day 3, 13 as well.
Yes. Can you click on that one?
This one?
Yes. Can you open the PPT? Okay. So today's question is
validation report copy.
Yes.
Okay.
So it is a real life scenario because some of the cases client are dropping lot of files because clients are giving lot of file. So we are the data engineer to store the file because same file. For example, one they are processing as a client. For example, they are processing in a bank. For example, bank they have a lot of transactions per week, right? So they are giving they are doing these things in their computer in their local computer, but they are giving as a client they are giving every file weekly. Okay, weekly they are giving the file and we are or they will drop the file into the storage location. Okay, as a data engineer we need to validate they are giving the correct file and is any headers or missing, so that kind of they are giving the correct file, the column contain correct number of columns or any missing columns, then only we can upload the file and save into the SQL DB, right? Already databases we are maintaining database or the document we are maintaining as a Parquet format. So once if validation completed, because sometimes they will process it different things, like for example they will maintain it with some Excel tool, converting all the things into Excel. So that time it will be loose. Some columns may be loose. So that kind of issue will happen. So this is the one example. We need to validate a schema and we are validating the file. Is it correct number of column is available or not? If it is okay, we can copy and we can append the data. This is the real life scenario.
But my question is that what schema validation, how we will know what we have to do?
Okay, schema validation. Can you go back to Google Drive? Can you go back to our Google Drive? Yeah. So here, can you click on first? Yeah. This is a sample one. Sample one ID department sales.
Sales department.
Okay, this is a small schema. This is the table you can expect from the client. Okay, this is the one giving from the client. So we are responsible to checking if the data, for example, ID department sale, if the column is available or not. Okay. So that is the one. Maybe some client, when they are converting these things into, sometimes they miss the columns. Okay, and the order will change. But that will not happen in our, we are the data engineer. We need to check if it correctly they are giving the columns, order is correct, column number is correct, everything we need to correct. So that is the meaning of the schema validation.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. So how we can do this schema validation? So that is the another question. Okay. So so here I will give you some ways. First thing, you need to connect one get metadata. So you need to upload these two files. For example, in the container, right? Step by step, I will explain. I will stop the recording. Then no, I am stop this. I will share then. Okay. Then I will explain. Then you can just try. Paint. Okay. I will share my screen. Okay. Now it is visible, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Number one will be, I will show you. Okay. First step, we need to, because we have a schema. So schema file, upload in storage account container. This is the first step. Okay.
Okay.
Then second file will be whatever, because they are dumping, the clients are dumping the files in another location, right? Another storage location. So that we can allocate them to one storage account for another container. Okay. Container, same storage account, container for file uploads for client. Okay. So first for schema and second for client file upload. This is they can directly access. Then you need to
second step will be where means in SQL database.
No, not SQL database. They are uploading. They are giving a CSV file. Currently, for example, they are giving the Excel files or manual files, Excel files or CSV file. That kind of file they are giving. Okay. They are because they are storing the data, but they are converting and saving as they are doing manually. So manual files are they are doing given. So that is the place they have access. Normally they can give the file. They can upload the file. So we are scheduling. We will schedule the job and run it in the. We are checking if the schema is correct or not. If it's correct, we will load and copy into somewhere. That means already existing one to append it. That's it. Okay. So here we need to, third step, we need one get metadata to connect schema file. Okay, schema file. Second thing, fourth thing will be, we need another get metadata to connect client files. Okay. Okay. Then fifth will be, we need a for each. Not for each, if condition. Okay, if condition, the schema of this one, get metadata of first one, and get metadata, this is get metadata 1, this is 2. I mentioned like this is 2, this is 1. So here we are checking get metadata of 1 equal to the structure of get metadata 1 equal to get metadata of 2. Then it will be copy. That means inner activity we will give copy.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So sometimes,
Mhm.
if we want, if otherwise, else we can give some alert or something. So the alert I will give you another, because once we complete this flow, we can give you the alert. So if you that time we can give a alert. It is not something like that. Alert email. Email means with the help of logic app that also we can implement. So this is the complete flow. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Yeah.
So Imran, we can try, right? At least we can try. Hmm?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, yeah. I
Okay.
will try this.
Yes. Yeah. You can share your screen. Okay. So first we need to upload. You
Mhm.
need to create two containers in the
Okay.
storage account.
Mhm.
First you can create it, then we can move.
Ma'am, I will try this by
You
first.
can try, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Then you can try this one. And one more thing I just want to give like for
Here, I just want to ask that
ah,
this one and this one, which one? This one is our and client one is.
ah. The schema.txt is the schema, just whatever the headers are available, columns are available. So that is available in the schema. But sales.txt is the client over, for example, in the case of banking or something, whatever the data they are uploaded, that means account transaction for one weekly data they will transfer to us, right? So that is
Mhm.
dot sales.txt, that kind of file we are expecting. So sales.schema is first time we are uploading, and the
Mhm.
sales.txt we are expecting every week.
Okay.
Okay, so every time before we uploading, because normally it will be appending to as a convert to Parquet and some other transformation we did, we will append or we will save into Databricks table or Synapse table or somewhere. But
Mhm.
before we need to check if the data is correct, column is correct, any column order is different. So that kind of thing we need to check. Otherwise, when we append the file, there will be an issue, right?
Mhm.
Because table containing ID, customer, order details. But the coming file contains customer, order, customer detail. Then it will be a mismatch in the schema. So that is the
Yes.
reason we need to validate schema first. If it is okay, it will be copy and save into somewhere. Otherwise, it will be wait for there. So that is the one thing.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Or if you can, I have a time, maybe you can try this one. If you get it, if you
No,
have it,
ma'am. No, actually, first I will try that.
yes,
Means,
sure. You can try.
then, yeah.
And one more question I will give you. I
Yeah,
will
yeah.
tell.
Actually, why I am saying try because
Mm,
if I will try by own, then that will be a good.
okay, that will be better. That will be better, Iman, because you will get more idea about this one,
Yeah.
right? Okay.
If
One,
anything goes wrong with tomorrow, I will ask.
yes. And one more thing. So
Ma'am, I have one question here.
yes, Imran, tell me.
See, suppose I have come here, okay?
Mm,
In the tree, I was trying yesterday. In the trigger, I am creating new trigger, okay?
mm, mm,
I'm just giving this one same name
mm,
only, and I'm creating storage event, okay?
mm,
From here, I am selecting this brand.
mm,
Here, suppose I am taking this one,
mm,
like storage. What is should I give? Day 788. I am giving.
mm.
Like I am giving anyone output one.
Mm. Is it issue your event trigger is not working?
Yes. Dot.
Your event trigger is not working and you are getting error, right?
Yes, yes. That
So that
event
is,
creates something in the saying.
yeah. So you are doing this in first time, right? Because
Yeah,
our
event
area,
creates it. So
yeah, our event trigger is not first time we are doing the event trigger. That means our area, our first time in the Azure portal, our subscription need to access to that storage account. Okay. So that
yes,
was the
yes.
reason we are getting this error, event trigger, event grid
Yes.
register.
Yes, from subscription I have gone there and then this resource provider also I have gone, but I was not
Okay.
able to.
but you are not able to. So this solution I will give you. I'm already have one track coding. So you just try it with that because this is a everyone facing this issue because first whoever tried to do in the first time to connecting an event
Yes.
trigger to the storage account, we need to register it in the event trigger. Then only we can able to do this one. Otherwise, we will get an error. So
Yes.
this solution I will give you today. So
This
by
one
step,
from
yeah, here we need to register something. Then
grid.
refresh.
Yeah,
Yeah,
event grid not registered. If I
yes.
clicking here, after
Yes.
that I am not able to do what I.
But one more thing, two more things you need to do here. So that was the reason. When I am searching, and I was searching the first time, I got another thing, one bill or something need to register. But I think this is kind of a administrative. Okay, this kind of an administrative level, it's because that is the reason some projects have an administrative people also, right? So they already completed administrative level exams also. So they can able to because security and these kind of things under this category. So this is only when we are registering it is first time, we are only getting this error. After that, we don't get this error.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So this thing I will share with you. I
Yes,
need
ma'am.
some time. I will share with you because the recording in my hand because we resolve this issue. Hmm?
Okay, okay, yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Any other issue? Any other question you have?
No, no, ma'am.
All good, right?
Yes,
Okay. Then one more question I'm giving to you. Um,
Mhm.
give me 1 minute. I'm just uploading. I'm giving one more. Okay. Thing is like that. You need to create one container you need to maintain in your storage account. Today you need to upload two or three file, and tomorrow you need to upload some more file. That means one file or two file today's data date, and next
Mhm.
file will be tomorrow. Okay. So we want whoever the latest modified one. So that will be the another question. So I will give that question also.
Mhm.
That means from the get metadata activity, we can find it. There is a latest modified item. Whatever the
Mhm.
data, whoever the latest modified, that also we can get from there. Give me 1 minute. Here. That also try to, right? Because you get one more practical, right? So once you solve this one, we can discuss it. So it will be more helpful. So question like um, latest modified files.
Have you shared?
I will share. Okay, I uploading in your folder. File upload. And I will share my screen. Okay, this I uploaded in your folder also.
Mhm.
So that means latest,
Latest modified.
yes, latest modify. So I am link hint also. Upload to file container. Some container you can give container. Two
Mhm.
files upload today. Then two files upload tomorrow.
Okay.
Hmm. Then we need to find the latest modified date. Hmm.
Ma'am, latest modified date means then the tomorrow one will only come.
Yes, tomorrow file. That means whatever the
Oh,
file
okay,
is.
means see, so today I uploaded two files and
Hmm.
tomorrow then tomorrow again I uploaded two files.
Two
But
files.
output should show tomorrow's file, not the today's
Yes,
file.
yes, right. We need to find the latest files.
And suppose on Sunday also means day after tomorrow again I uploaded three files, then the
Hmm.
Sunday's file
Whatever the
system.
latest file, that only we need to get. So that is another thing.
Okay, got it.
Okay. So whatever the late, because this is another real-time example. For example, client is uploading same scenario. In the previously I explained the client, we have access to client. They are uploading weekly file. Okay. So weekly file they are uploading. They are uploaded lot of file. Then we are responsible to finding the latest file. Okay. So the latest file only we need to copy and save into another blob storage or any other SQL DB. Otherwise, it will be an issue because in the old files also, if we take, it will be how it will be good for a uh, good system, right? So that is the another thing. So whatever the latest file they uploaded, we can take the data, we can take the file, then copy to another location.
Okay.
Okay. This also you need to complete. This also important.
Okay, yes, ma'am.
Okay, so these are the two things today. First one, we need to send a validated schema, and the second will be extract latest one. Extract latest modified from the storage account. So the once you complete these things, you will get an idea. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
Yes, using this one, you can do this well, and let me know if you face any kind of issues while doing. Tomorrow also we can connect. So that time, let me know if you face any kind of issue while doing these things. Let me know.
Okay, yeah. And ma'am, yeah, I will.
Ah,
I mean, more question that
yes.
suppose from source I am taking like anything from
Ah,
blob storage or ADLS2, okay?
ah,
But my destination like sync is suppose SQL, okay?
okay.
SQL database.
Mm,
But my question is that when we load to the file to the destination, first we have to create the structure in the table, no? The
yes.
structure of table in the SQL database, then only it will load it. Otherwise, it
Then
will not.
only it will, yes, definitely. We need to create because using the create statement, we need to create the structure. Then you can load it. Then it will be work fine.
Yes, yes.
Otherwise, there will be how it where it will be loaded because we need to create a table there and schema also we need to define there because when you're creating the table, you need to define the schema, right? So the same thing. And also you need to one thing definitely you need to because your table name containing capital letters, but into your SQL table contains small letters, it will throw an error sometime.
Okay, ma'am, got it.
So definitely whatever data is you are given here, same thing you need to mention in the SQL DB side also. Okay. Try that one also. Okay. Maybe copy to SQL DB. I'm giving the Azure SQL DB.
Okay, ma'am, sure.
Okay. Try this one also. Then it will be better, right? Then create an Azure SQL DB. Then create one table. Then do
Yes,
this.
yes, yes, I
Okay.
can.
Okay. That will be better.
Yes.
Table in Azure. In Azure. Okay. Yeah. And path also mentioned here. Yeah. Any doubt, Imran, you have?
No, ma'am, no.
All good, right?
Yeah.
Okay, set. Then let me know if you face any issue. Let me know. I will help you.
Yes,
And
ma'am, yeah.
yeah, tomorrow also once you complete this one, let me know because tomorrow I will give some more practical.
Okay,
Okay?
yeah, sure,
Yeah, you
ma'am.
have time in the weekend also, right? So
Yes,
mean
yes.
tomorrow you need to show me that 10 example we did, right? So
Okay,
that 10
yes.
real time example, I need to know how you did that. If there is any correction, we planned today, right? So tomorrow we can do that one.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Thanks, Imran. Then we
Yeah,
can connect
thank you,
tomorrow.
ma'am. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Bye.